In the last class, we are discussed about irrigated agricultural lands. In the irrigated agricultural lands, we are discussed about the drip irrigations. What? Drip irrigations and the sprinkler irrigations. It means spray irrigations. Yes or no? See, students, you have learned about the types of the agricultural lands, haven't you? So, in recent years follows two types of the cultivations or farming to grow the crops. To grow the crops, whether it is a rain feed agriculture land or irrigated agriculture land. Whether it is a rain feed agricultural land or irrigated agriculture's land. See, they are the first one organic farming and the chemical farming. Organic farming and the chemical farming. So these are the main things in the agriculture. What are those? Organic farming and also chemical farming. To understand these methods, read the statements. To understand these methods, read the statements given below. With the help of your teachers, and identify the statements related to the organic farming and the chemical farming. Write them in the respective chart. Write them in respective charts. Dear students, in the downside you can see the five statements are there. Yes or no? You can see in that statement, observe that statements and read that statement. Read that statements. Afterwards, you only write them with respective charts. These are organic or chemical farming. So, what do you mean by organic and what do you mean by chemical farming? Okay. See, friends, one by one. The first one, the first statement. Chemical fertilizers are used. So organic farming, it means what? ಸಾವಯವ ಕೃಷಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಥರನಾದಂಥ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಿಂಗ್. You can see the another one, that is a chemical farming. In the times the farmers are used chemicals for many purposes. So that's why this is called what? Chemical farming. So this is a organic farming. Okay. First statement, C. Chemical fertilizers are used. So chemical fertilizers are used. It means it is a organic or chemical farming. Yes, that is a chemical farming. That is a chemical farming. Which one? First one. Fertilizers, chemical fertilizers are used. Chemical fertilizers are used. It is a chemical farming. It is what? Chemical farming. Understand? So this is a chemical farming. Okay. You can see the second one. Manure or organic compost. Manure or organic compost is used for agriculture land. So that is organic or chemical. It is not chemical, it is a organic. It is a organic. See students, this is a organic. This is a organic farming. Organic farming. The first one, the chemical fertilizers are used, that is a chemical farming. So that's why you write that chemical farming in this column. Okay, see students, the first one is what? First statement. See, what is that? The chemical fertilizers are used. It means that is a chemical farming. So you write to the first statement in this column, in this row, you can write the chemical fertilizers are used in this row, okay, understand? Okay, you can see the second one. Manure or organic compost is used for the agriculture's land. You can see the second statement. Manure or agriculture compost is used for agriculture's land. It is organic or chemical farming. So yes, it is a organic farming. So that's why you write that in this column. Write one number in this column. Right. Okay. You can see the next third one. Vermi compost is used to increase the soil fertility of the soil. So it is not chemical farming. It is a organic farming. So you write organic farm. Write this line in this row. Write the second one. This time. Understand? Okay. See, pesticides are used to grow the crops. Pesticides are used to grow the crops. So it is a not organic farming. It is a chemical farming. So you write that pesticides are used to grow crop. Right here. Write to this line. Okay. You can see the last one. Green leaves. Dry leaves are used in this method for the cultivations. So it is also organic farming. It is also organic farming. You write that line in this side. Okay. Okay. You only write these statements in your textbooks. Understand? So totally 5 points are there. First one, chemical fertilizers are used. So this is a chemical farming. Manure or organic compost is used for the agriculture's land. So this is a organic farming. Vermicompost is used to increase the fertility of the soil. It is also organic farming. Pesticides are used to grow crop. It is a chemical farming. So green leaves and dry leaves are used in the methods of the cultivation. So this is a organic farming. So this is about your chemical farming and organic farming statements. Okay. See students, the next page. In a chemical farming, the chemical fertilizers and the pesticides are used. In the chemical farming, chemical fertilizers and the pesticides are used to grow the crops. In the organic farming, manure, green leaves, compost, vermicompost and the organic pesticides are used to grow the crops. In where? In the organic farming. Understand? See students, in the chemical farming. In where? In chemical farming, chemical fertilizers and the pesticides are used to grow the crops. Here in the chemical farming. Okay. In the organic farming, green leaves, compost, vermicompost and organic pesticides are used to grow the crops. Understand? Okay. See students, organic farming is better than chemical farming. How? That is some question. So ಹೇರಳವಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಈ ಒಂದು ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಹೊಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಮಣ್ಣಿನ ಫಲವತ್ತತೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಮಣ್ಣಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಇದರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಬೆಳೆದಂಥ ಬೆಳೆಯು ಕೂಡ ಈ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ಭರಿತ ಆಗಿಬಿಡ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ಸ ಬಂದುಬಿಡ್ತದೆ ಸರ್. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ನಮಗದು ಎಲ್ಲ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಹಾನಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ತೊಗೊತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಹಣ ಖರ್ಚಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ವಿ ಸಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ ದ ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್, in the agricultures many methods are being followed to grow the crops. For example, some of the methods of the cultivations are given here. Read and understand. See students, first of all, intensive farming. So growing 2 to 3 crops on the same land in a year. So that is intensive farming. Intensive farming, it means what? Growing 2 to 3 crops. Growing the 2 to 3 crops on the same land in a year. So that is called what? Intensive farming. For example, jowar, paddy, ragi, sunflowers, cottons, horse grams, Bengal grams and the red grams. So these are the examples of the intensive farming. All of you understand about the intensive farming? What is that? See students, growing 2 to 3 crops on the same land. Growing 2 to 3 crops on the same land in a year. For example, jowars, paddy, ragi, sunflowers, cottons, horse grams and Bengal grams and the red grams. So this is about the intensive farming. You can see the second one, that is a mixed farming. What do you mean by mixed farming? In the additions to cultivations of crops, cattle rearing, poultry, sericulture and the apicultures are also done. ಸೊ ಬೆಳೆಯನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಯೋದಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಬೆಳೆ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಕೋಳಿ ಸಾಕಾಣಿಕೆ, ಜೇನು ಸಾಕಾಣಿಕೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಈ ದನಕರುಗಳನ್ನು ಸಾಕೋದಾಗಲಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಜೇನನ್ನು ಸಾಕೋದಾಗಲಿ, ಸೊ ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೀತಿಯಾದಂಥ ಬಾಹ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳನ್ನು ಸಾಕೋದು. ಸೊ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳನ್ನು ಸಾಕೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಮೇಕೆಯನ್ನು ಸಾಕೋದಾಗಲಿ, ಕುರಿ ಸಾಕೋದಾಗಲಿ, ಹಾಗೆ ಈ ಕೋಳಿ ಸಾಕಾಣಿಕೆ ಆಗಲಿ, ರೇಷ್ಮೆ ಹುಳಗಳನ್ನು ಸಾಕಾಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಅಪಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜೇನು ಸಾಕಾಣಿಕೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳನ್ನು ಸಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅದರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ, ಹಣ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಇದರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ, ಇದು ಒಂದು ಹಣದಿಂದ ಮತ್ತು ರೈತನಿಗೆ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಸಹಾಯ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಒಂದೇ ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೇ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ 2 to 3 ಬೆಳೆ ಬೆಳೀತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಇಂಟೆನ್ಸಿವ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, so in the mixed farming, in the additions to cultivations of the crops, cattle rearing, poultry, sericultures and the apicultures are also done. So this is about the mixed farming. You can see in the third one, plantation farming. What? Plantation farming. So what do you mean by plantation farming, dear students? See, plantation farming. Fruits, vegetables, coffee, tea or flowers are grown instead of food crops on the agriculture lands. So this is a plantation farming. So what is that plantation farming? Instead of crops, fruits, vegetables, coffee, tea or flower are grown instead of a food, are grown instead of a food crops on the agriculture's lands, on the agriculture's land. So this is known about the plantation farming. This is a plantation farming. Thus the farmers adapt different agriculture methods and they earn the monies, earn their monies. Okay, go to an agricultural land with your friends, observe the methods being followed there and name them. You also observe in your area's lands, croplands, which type of the lands are there, which type of the crops are there. Yes or no? You also observe in your area's lands. ಸೊ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೊಲಗದ್ದೆಗಳನ್ನು ಗಮನಿಸಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಗಮನಿಸಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇದೆ, ನೀರಾವರಿ ಐತಿ ಅಥವಾ ನೀರಾವರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ವನಬೇಸಾಯಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿಯನ್ನು ಗಮನಿಸಿ. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟೇಶನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್, ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್, ಕಾಫಿ, ಟೀ or flowers are grown instead of the food crops on agricultural lands. So this type is there, you only just see. And also mixed farming in the additions to the cultivations of the crops, cattle rearing, poultry, sericulture and the apicultures are also done. So ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಾಣಿ ಸಾಕಾಣಿಕೆ ಐತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಜೇನು ಸಾಕಾಣಿಕೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಪೋಲ್ಟ್ರಿ ಕೋಳಿ ಸಾಕಾಣಿಕೆ. ಸೊ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ದನಕರುಗಳನ್ನ ಸಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಕುರಿ ಸಾಕಾಣಿಕೆ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಾಕು ಪ್ರಾಣಿಕೆ ಸಾಕಾಣಿಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೀತಿಯ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳನ್ನ ಸಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಐತನ ಗಮನಿಸ್ರಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ದ ಇಂಟೆನ್ಸಿವ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಿಂಗ್, ಸೊ ಗ್ರೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ 2 to 3 crops on the same lands in the years. For example, jowars, paddy, ragi, sunflowers, cottons, horse grams and the Bengal grams and the red grams. Just observe these types of crops. Okay, so just see and observe. So which type of the farming is there. Okay, see students, so today we are discussing the intensive farming, mixed farming and the plantation farming. Today we are understand about the plantation farming, mixed farming, as usual intensive farming. And also today we are discussed about the chemical farming and the organic farming, chemical farming and organic farming. Okay, so you only write that what are the correct statements in the organic farming and the chemical farming. So you only write in your home. Okay, so I will continue next class. Thank you.